So customizing the Google Chrome Omnibar is a relatively easy task to accomplish. So what you're going to do is go up here to the three horizontal lines, also called the hot dogs, and navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, what you're going to look for is this little area that's called search. Oh, mine apparently stopped working. So let me try that again. So once again, hot dogs, settings, right here where it says search. And you have a couple of different options. From the drop-down menu, you can actually choose your default search engine. So mine's set to Google, but if you wanted to use Bing or Yahoo, you can adjust that there. The other thing though that you can do is you can manage your sort of, I call them your quick search engines. They're down here in this little area that says other search engines. And so what you can do is you can add search engines. So let's say that I found myself constantly going to the New York Times, and I wanted to create a little quick way to go to the New York Times without having to first go to the website and then go to the search page. What I can do is first name it, so I'll say NY Times, and then put in whatever I want to use as a keyword. Maybe I'm just going to use NYT as kind of my little shortcut. So what I'll be able to do is do NYT tab, and it'll automatically search the New York Times. The next part is a little complicated, and you might have to do a little bit of trial and error. But if you look at these URLs, what you're going to notice is like the one for Google Drive is drive.google.com, and then something about search, or sacb.com, something about search, twitter.com, something about search. So the easiest way to figure that out is to go to the website you're going to use. So like I'm going to go to the New York Times. So here I am at the New York Times. And to find the search page for that particular website. So I'm going to go to search here. And let me just search for something, Sacramento. Oops, I guess I spelled it right. There you go. So now I'm searching Sacramento. And so what I can actually do is kind of use this URL up here, but probably what I'm looking for is maybe something through the question mark. So it's something about New York Times search, site search, question mark. So I'm going to copy that and go over here to my settings. And oh, I guess it disappeared. Let me make sure I didn't put it there somewhere. Nope, it didn't. Okay, so let me just paste this in here and then rewrite what I was doing. NY Times, NYT, and hit done. All right, so I set it up. Now let's see if it works. And this is kind of the trial and error part. So I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to put it NYT. It's not saying anything about hit tab and then you can search. There should be something showing up here in the address bar about tab and search. So let me go back to settings and make a little adjustment here. So where's the New York Times? Here it is. Now looking at these other sites, it looks like it's normally like www. something. So I'm going to actually, instead of query, let me just make this www.newyorktimes.com. And then it has this thing about site search. I don't really know about that. So let me just get rid of this. It looks like looking at the other ones like Twitter down there, I'm supposed to do search, question mark, Q for query equals %S. So I'm really just kind of copying what I see in these other fields. I'm going to say done. And now let's try it out. So NYT. Oh, see how it says press tab to search New York Times? So it's right over here in the right part of the Omnibar. So if I hit tab, now I am searching New York Times. So then I can put in Sacramento. And it's taking me there. So like I said, it just requires kind of a little bit of trial and error, but you know, if you search for something on the website, you can generally sort of figure it out by looking at the pattern that's here within the other search engines under Manage Search Engines. If you have any questions, let me know.